according to the changes of pronouns and according to the changes of adverbs. Now we are going to learn about the rules of about the tenses. These are some rules about the tenses. First we take simple present tense. Simple present tense becomes simple past while we change direct sentence into indirect sentence. We take example. Naveen said, the dog is clever. While we change this sentence into indirect speech, we have to make some changes. Naveen said, we take here conjunction that according to the rules, that the dog was clever. What did we do? We make two changes. We take conjunction that here according to the rules, and we change is means which verb is in simple present tense, we convert it into simple past tense means into was. The second tense is present continuous. It becomes past continuous. Here is an example. She said, I am writing a letter. She said, I am writing a letter. Answer is, she said that she was writing a letter. What we do? We take conjunction that here. We change I into she and am into was. Means I am writing. It is in present continuous tense. We change it into she was writing, means we change it into past continuous tense. The third tense is present perfect. It becomes past perfect. Sachin said, into inverted comma, I have eaten a banana. I have eaten a banana. The answer is, Sachin said that. We take conjunction here that. I means it becomes he, have becomes had, eaten a banana. I have eaten. It is in present perfect tense. We write here had eaten, means it is in past perfect tense. The next tense is present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous. It becomes past perfect continuous. Example is, the boys said, the boys said, into inverted comma, I have been playing. The answer is, the boy said, we take conjunction that, he had been playing. Here I have been playing, it is in present perfect continuous tense. We change it into had been playing, means we change it into past perfect continuous tense. Next is simple past. The simple past tense becomes past perfect tense. Example is, Smita said, into inverted, I wrote a letter. I wrote a letter. The answer is, Smita said that she had written a letter. The verb wrote is in simple past tense. We write here had written, means we convert it into past perfect tense. Now number 6, past perfect. Past perfect, there is no change, it remains same. Means if the direct sentence is in past perfect, in indirect sentence it remains same. Means the change, the tense of the verb is no change. He said, I had written a letter. I had written a letter. Answer is, he said that he had written a letter. Here we make only 2 changes. We take conjunction that and we change the I pronoun into he. We don't make any change. Had written and in this had written. Means in past perfect tense there is no change in direct sentence tenses or in indirect sentence tenses. The next is simple future tense. Next is simple future tense. Means will and shall change into would and should. Example is, Rita said, into inverted comma, the judge will come. Judge will come. And the answer is, Rita said, conjunction that the judge would come. We change the helping verb will into would. While we change the direct sentence into indirect sentence. We take here conjunction that. There are other some rules according to the types of sentences. We will learn these rules in our next period. Thank you.